Ancient humans with more skill may have also given one another shiny animal teeth. The larger the tooth, the more value the tooth had. Teeth that were shined or intact were also considered more valuable than cracked or dirty teeth. Sometimes, these animal teeth would be strung to make necklaces or other accessories, so they could be carried around and shown off by the recipient of such a gift. Illness-preventing amulets. Ancient Greeks had a tradition of giving newborn babies small amulets to welcome them into the world. It was believed that these small amulets had the power to prevent the child from getting sick with different diseases. Some believe that these amulet gifts would also help to ward off any evil spirits haunting the newborn in its earliest days. Holy water. Ancient Egyptians had lots of items they liked to give as gifts, including jewelry, perfume, and furniture. But did you know they also sometimes gifted holy water? On the Egyptian New Year around mid-July, Egyptians would celebrate by honoring the gods and wishing prosperity and blessings on their loved ones. As part of this celebration, they would fill small vials with holy water from the Nile River and gift it to those they cherished. By receiving some of this water, it was believed you would encounter blessings from the gods in the coming year. Lit candles. Believe it or not, you can thank the ancient Greeks for those candles on your birthday cake every year. When celebrating someone's birthday, the ancient Greeks would bring well wishes and lit candles for the birthday boy or girl. They believed that blowing out the candles would help them ask the gods to ward off evil spirits haunting a person on their birthday. This request to the gods would also provide them with spiritual protection in the coming year. Firewood. Nowadays, we normally bring wine or snacks to a housewarming party. In ancient times, not so much. Ancient people would traditionally bring firewood to celebrate someone's new home, leading to the literal term housewarming. Once the house was warm from the fire made with the firewood would be used to cook food for everyone who arrived. The celebration would then continue with lots of eating, drinking, and celebrating.